Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price literally had its lows on the day and then where it ultimately closed, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price definitely made a nice move today. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is over here at $1.30. Why is $1.30 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.30. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have some lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, truly strong moves are going to make progress. And as I defined and said about a million times now, the quote unquote make progress point here is at $1.30. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, this kind of boils down to a foundational rule in charting that states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And you can see back here in the history of the chart, this $1.55 area once was a level of support. So now that the price is below it, this would be considered that area of resistance, which you can see essentially, price got within the ballpark of $1.55 and was rejected. So I'm not saying it's impossible to break $1.55. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did struggle up around that area. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of whether or not the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.